You asked for it.
Welcome back to another episode of You Asked For It, where we answer your burning real estate and VA loan questions. My name's Jason, and today we're tackling the question, can you roll your closing costs into your VA loan? And the short answer is no. But let's take a deeper dive into that. I'm sure you've had a friend, maybe a fellow vet, maybe even this happened to you on your first purchase, where you purchased or they purchased and they are like, yes, I rolled my closing costs into the loan. I did not pay for that separately. So how did that work if the VA does not allow it? Well, there's a few different ways that this can happen. One is where the lender can provide a lender credit. And how that works is basically the lender will raise or increase the interest rate on the loan and in lieu provide a lender credit, which can be used to offset closing costs. And in some cases, this can actually pay for all of closing costs. The other option is that it can be negotiated with the seller. Depending on the market, depending on the conditions, it could be something such as the house is listed at $500,000, so let's offer $510,000, so $10,000 over list price, and then ask for a seller credit to be used for closing costs. Or maybe you're in a market where it's a buyer's market, there's not a lot of competition. You could offer $500,000 and say I still want $10,000 towards closing costs. These situations really are dependent upon your current market, kind of the economy, what's going on in the world. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. And then the last option is depending upon your area, such as like California, we have like the Cal or HFA or other grants in the area where they might be able to provide like a first-time homebuyer grant or credit towards closing costs. That's going to be specific to your area, so it's something that you'll have to research. Hopefully that helps. Those are the 3 different ways that are most common to getting your closing costs covered. Thank you. See you next week for You Asked For It.